Daniel K. Inouye International Airport is one of 7 in the nation chosen to screen direct flights from China.
We don't like it any more than anybody else. The federal government decided because we have CDC capacity here at our airport and because we're strategically located in between Asia and mainland U.S. that we should be one of the 7.
Green says we will likely see fewer planes and people coming from China since the federal government is banning Chinese nationals from coming into the United States.
We will only be seeing returning people to the United States. Of course, anybody that lives in Hawaii, we're going to welcome them home, but if they've been in the region, they will have to be quarantined for 2 weeks.
Green says that anyone who visited Wuhan will be put in quarantine for 2 weeks without question. He also tells me that travelers who have visited other areas of China who do not show any signs of illness may be put in quarantine at their own homes and monitored by the Department of Health.
We do have very good military partners, and if they have space, we would ask them for their support. In addition to that, isolating people at a hotel far away from a population or even renting out the better part of a hotel somewhere away from, obviously away from Waikiki, away from our main areas of population.
I'm also told the CDC will likely have to increase the staff at the airport to handle any additional screening.
We're laying several layers of protection on top of travelers coming through here so that we will have several opportunities to catch anybody before they're in the general public if they came from a highly infectious area.
I met with Representative Gene Ward. He says designating Hawaii to screen flights from China will hurt our tourism industry.
My concern is those 6 other places are mega urban centers with diversified economies. We have an economy 50% depending on tourism. If we strike a blow in this area of coronavirus, the industry is in jeopardy.
Ward said he's asking the White House to take Honolulu off of the list as one of the airports screening China flights. Federal officials say the new screening process will begin at noon tomorrow. Green tells me they're still gathering information, but they plan to be totally transparent so people will know what's going on. Jen Boniza, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.
And we will continue to follow the coronavirus outbreak on air and online at KHON2.com.